There are many species of flies out there, and they all have three things in common. They're annoying, they're disgusting, and they can pose serious health hazards. In this video, we'll go over some general tips and things to look out for so you'll have a leg up on fly control. Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn. If you're new to us, we create these videos to help educate people like you about DIY pest control. If you want to learn more or you want the right products for effective fly control, click the card in the top right corner of the screen or the links in the description below. When you hear the word fly, you're probably thinking of the common housefly. But there are many different flies buzzing around, such as fruit flies, blowflies, horse flies, or even drain flies. The tricky thing with fly control is that a lot of different fly types require different control products and techniques. An insecticide you might use for horse flies might not be effective against fruit flies. So it's crucial to know which fly you have. So today I'll go over some tips on how to identify one fly over the other and some general steps you can take to put a dent in your fly infestation. If you know which fly you have, visit our website where you can find categories for common flies with in-depth guides and recommended professional pest products to get rid of them. It can be hard knowing which fly you have, so a good method of identifying them, besides noting their appearance, is to consider where you've been seeing them. Take the fruit fly and the phorid fly. They look similar, with the eye color differentiating the two of them. Because they're tiny, you might have a hard time telling which one you have, so take note as to where you're seeing them. Is it flying around the fruit bowl? Then it's likely a fruit fly. Maybe you've seen one of these pests buzzing around a potted plant. Then it's more likely a phorid fly, attracted to moist and decaying material in the potted soil. Maybe you've seen an invasion of flies, like something out of a horror movie, especially in an attic during winter or maybe around a window in spring. These are usually cluster flies and not house flies. Or if you've seen large, shiny flies after getting a whiff of something terrible around the property, then it could be blowflies. These flies are usually an indication that something dead is close by. Knowing what to look for to positively identify flies is crucial in getting effective fly control. Don't forget to visit our website for help identifying your fly problem and to get your professional pest products. Though control methods can vary from fly to fly, the good news is there's one powerful step that you can take that will make a significant impact against any fly: sanitation. Sanitation is key to reducing your fly problem. Flies love moisture and filth, and as soon as they smell something rotting or decaying, they'll do whatever they can to get to it. The strong odors from filth and decay can attract flies from far away, signaling the perfect feeding and breeding grounds. So you need to remove the filth and food sources that are attracting them. Be sure to regularly take out the trash, keeping it sealed, and do not let it sit and overflow. Make sure entry points into your house are sealed. Check around window screens, door thresholds, and seal off any cracks and crevices. Keep bathrooms clean. Do not let mold and mildew set in. Keep kitchens clean. Clean countertops, clear grease from stovetops, and sweep or mop frequently. Seal fruits or vegetables in airtight containers and dispose of over-ripened fruit. If you have pets, pick up or spray down dog poop and clean out cat litter every day. Reduce moisture around your home and property. Do not overwater plants. Address and fix poor drainage and fix any leaky pipes. These are just some of the things that you can do to control and prevent flies from infesting your home. For total control, you'll also need a combination of professional pest products and insecticides. Visit our website for help identifying your fly problem and find in-depth guides into each fly type and the professional products to control them. We 100% guarantee that the products and tips we offer will get rid of your specific fly problem. And we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Solutions is a small family-owned business, and we rely on referrals from customers like you. So if you like this how-to guide and when the products work for you, please share and tell your friends and family about us. Also, please don't hesitate to give us a call or shoot us an email. I'm Jason Baker with Solutions Pest and Lawn. Ask us how, then do it yourself.